How to fix a Snapchat device ban. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your Snapchat device ban problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Now go ahead and open up your device's settings. Here, scroll below to apps and search for Snapchat. Tap onto its storage and tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Data. Please be noted that Snapchat will permanently delete your following app data from your device, which includes snaps and chats and all your setting history. If you'd still like to continue, tap on Delete. Now check if this fixes your problem. If not, you have to install a VPN proxy. Head over to Play Store and search for Turbo VPN. This is the application that we are looking forward to download. Once you download this application, just change your IP address and this shall fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.